Welcome to Chabonneau Outdoors. If you enjoy backpacking, hiking, camping, and just having a good time, then this video is for you. After hiking about 5.5 miles, we finally made it to camp. Our campsite was a beautiful spot right next to the river, and it offered some amazing white noise for sleeping in the evening. After we got camp all set up, all four of us decided to take a nap, and we all fell asleep for a little bit. After we all woke up from our naps, we played a round of a very unique card game called Euchre.
Pass. Pass. Heart. It's gonna be hearts.
Eat them for like a while.
I got that.
After we finished our card game, the sun was starting to go down below the horizon, so we went ahead and started a fire for the evening.
Yeah, I guess. I'll wait.
Each of us brought our own freeze-dried meals just to make it super simple since it was only a quick overnight trip. For dinner, I had what I call a keto cabbage casserole. It's basically spaghetti, but instead of noodles, it's with cabbage. I also added some hot water to a chocolate element for a nice drink to go with my meal.
Okay.
So move it up a little bit.
Get it more.
Okay.
I saw it. I thought it was just like a stick or something.
I unfortunately had an ember land on my waterproof food bag, so I had to patch that hole.
He was making charcoal and getting to where
I patched it using the Gear Aid repair tape. Oh, you can barely even tell it's there. Like blends in perfectly. I just put a patch on it, yeah. After dinner, we made some popcorn and then just hung out around the campfire until we went to bed early so that we could wake up early and get out before a thunderstorm. When we woke up, the wind had started to pick up. The first thing I did, of course, was make a cup of coffee for the morning. Then after that, we started packing up camp so that we could get out as fast as possible in order to miss an incoming thunderstorm that had the chance of having some heavy winds, rain, and lightning. In addition to coffee, I also had a quick breakfast of just some freeze-dried granola that I just added water to.
Cross over here.
Yeah, just go straight ahead there. After we crossed the river from our camp, we heard our first thunderclap in the distance. There she is. He's what? Oh no.
Oh damn.
You all right?
Well, you don't need to wear your reindeer now. We thought it was about to start pouring any minute, so we were hiking in our rain jackets, but we ended up taking them off because we got very hot. Two deer that just ran off that way. We actually ended up making really good time on the hike out, and in the end we hiked out faster than we had hiked in. Boy,
But you heard it? Oh.
it is windy. Gosh. Oh, I got it on film. Let's go.
You have to admit that was a good save though.
It's a pretty good roll and get back up.
Yeah, get it right into a barrel.
Look at that. We're the only people in here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Chavano Outdoors YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me, and you also won't miss any great videos that are coming up in the future. Until next time, stay in the wild.